Hey guys, in this video I'll show you a website which detects plagiarism. So I have this article right here, how can I lose weight? So I'm just going to copy this first little paragraph and I'm going to run it through the website which I told you about. The website is prosnojhuli.com plagiarism checker. It is going to be left in the description as well as in a pinned comment so you can access it easier. So if I paste this little paragraph right here, it is going to check it for plagiarism. You have the option to upload docx documents as well as text documents, so it automatically checks other websites for plagiarism, or you can check directly from your URL. So I have this text added here. If I click check for plagiarism, as you can see, it detects every single sentence and part of the sentence and tells you that it has been plagiarized. Already exists. So that is how you can check a student's work or somebody else's work, if it's completely unique or if they just copy pasted something and plagiarized it. I hope this quick video was useful to you. Make the most of it. Leave a like and sub. Show this video some love, and I'll see ya, boys and girls, next time. Bye bye.